Good evening, student. Student, question is find the area of the greatest isosceles triangle that can be inscribed in a given ellipse having its vertex coincident with one end of the major axis. Student, see the solution. Find the area of the greatest isosceles triangle that can be inscribed in a given ellipse. Student, let given ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1. This is the ellipse. Its major axis is 2a. It is along x-axis and y axis. It is the major axis. Its length is 2a. So one of the isosceles triangle is inscribed in an ellipse with one vertex is common with the vertex of ellipse. So let it is A, it is B and C. So ABC is an isosceles triangle. Its vertex A is common with the vertex of ellipse. Let it is the point P. So area of the ellipse, area of the triangle A is equal to half of BC into AP. Here coordinate of A is a comma 0. Let coordinate of B is x comma y. Then this is the center of the ellipse. Let it is C. So CP equal to x. Then AP is A minus x. It is CA minus CP. Then BC is twice of BP. And BP is y. Value of y we will find from the equation of ellipse. So y square upon b square equal to 1 minus x square upon a square. So y equal to b upon a root a square minus x square. Therefore area is 1 upon 2 into 2 into BP. BP is b upon a. It is 2y. It is root b upon a root a square minus x square into a minus x. 2 cancel. So a becomes b upon a into root a square minus x square into a minus x. Now we will make the square. Student, we can take isosceles triangle like this also. It may be along this side or along this side. So both conditions are correct. And when we take this triangle here like ABC, this, then there is a plus x because this part is x, this whole is a. So this BP becomes a plus x. In both the condition result will be correct. So both conditions we can consider. We can take this one as one isosceles triangle or this one also. Student, let center of the ellipse is O. That's why OP equal to X. And base of the triangle is BC. Now take the square of this because there is a root. So A square equal to B square upon A square into A square minus X square into A plus X whole square. Student, let this is Z and we will apply the maxima minima on Z. So dz over dx, first order derivative. Here B square upon A square constant. Now we will apply the product rule to differentiate this. So here A square minus X square, as it is, differentiate this part, apply the chain rule, 2 into A plus X and 0 plus 1 plus A plus X whole square, and derivative of this part is 0 minus 2x. When we factorize this A minus X, A plus X, then it becomes whole square. So A plus X whole square common. 2 is also common here. Then it is A minus X minus X. It is 2 into B square upon A square, A plus X whole square, and it is A minus 2x. Since X cannot be negative, so X is not equal to minus A, therefore value of X is A upon 2. Student, since first order derivative is 0, from this we will get value of X. It is A by 2. Now we will find second order derivative, d2z over dx square. So d2z over dx square equal to 2b square upon A square. Then again apply the product rule here. So here A plus X whole square, as it is 0 minus 2 into 1 plus A minus 2x into 2 into A plus X into, it is 0 plus 1 will be 1. Now again A minus X is common, 2b square upon A square, A plus X is common, so it is minus 2 is also common, then it is minus A plus X plus this part is 0, A minus X is 0, so result will be negative. It is minus 4b square upon A square and A plus X whole square. This whole part is positive, multiply with minus sign, so it is negative. So we can say second order derivative is negative and Z is maximum. Since second order derivative is negative, therefore Z is maximum. This implies that A square maximum means A is maximum. Now maximum area equal to B upon A root A square minus X is A by 2. So it is A square by 4 into A plus A by 2 whole square. It is B upon A root of 3A square by 4 into, it is 3A upon 2 whole square. Therefore, its value is B upon A into, this is 2 square, it is 4, this is 4, 4 square is 16, its root is 1 by 4 into, it is 27, so it is 3 root 3, 3 square is 9, so 9 3 are 27 into A square. So maximum area, 1 A is cancel out, A maximum equal to 3 root 3 by 4 into AB. Maximum area is 3 root 3 by 4 into AB. Now, next is example 45.